Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, sunshines. Good morning. So before I actually catch it up, I like to just do a little. Like the way how it works is that you'd put the dates, you'd put what you're grateful for, what made today a great day, and then you put something here like an affirmation. So tuna and sweet corn pasta prospered in his ways because of the man who I hope the payment go through because I need to pay my mortgage. Good morning, sunshine. Where's my head tie? Let's get my head tie. Let's start the day. Good morning, guys. I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine in lockdown. We're currently in lockdown in London. God knows when we're gonna come out. If we come out, we've been in it for 3 months now. So I've been struggling with insomnia, so that means I sleep when I can. I don't actually have a sleeping schedule. I'm doing a lot better now than before. But my morning routine doesn't really mean that it's in the morning. It's just when I wake up. So now it's 11:33 and it's Monday and I'm just waking up. So yeah, let's go.
Other people know to do it, I need to learn. And so there is this great, reservoir inside of us of things we could be doing that if we just learn how and just organize ourselves and become systematic. We're shocked, I mean, 3 minutes or less telling you like what to do to first prepare. Day one, mission one, and just finish doing the team one. And to know what you can be able to do just out of as I go along. And that's why I started Team Success Club. That's why I started Goal Accelerator Club. So, I said, Lauren, just the reason matter. The outcome is that there was a whole lot of noise.
Yeah, so I'm using this lip tint. Let me show you guys. It's meant to make your lip go pink over time, so subscribe to see the progress. But I feel like it's working though, I can't lie to you. And then I'm gonna just put on some face oil because I don't like how dry my skin's looking this morning. I'm gonna use the CBD Restoring Facial Oil from the Body Shop. This is so good on the skin. And let's have a look outside. Okay, it's not bad today. It's not bad at all. And then we could just have some fresh air coming in. Okay, so when I wake up, I normally have these here and I just choose what I want to do based on how I'm feeling. So this is just something to keep me quite mindful and just literally just to keep me sane. I have a journal here. Listen, actually got me this, and with this one, so for example, like the way how it works is that you'd put the dates, you'd put what you're grateful for, what made today a great day, and then you put something here like an affirmation. So I am beautiful, I am strong, I am worthy, whatever. And then at the end of the night, now to unwind in the nighttime routine, you put 3 things that happened within the day, just to perform some self-reflection and stuff like that. But I'm not in the mood for that today. If I'm quite anxious or confused, or you know them feeling there, yeah, if I'm down, then you know, say the Bible may I draw for. Today we're going to be reading from Psalms 32. Fret not thyself because of evildoers, neither be thou envious against the workers of iniquity. Thanks be to God. So I have that, and then on days when my body is really tense or my body is just feeling a little bit achy, then I do yoga. Big up LISS, so putting me onto yoga. Honestly, so life changing, and it just calms down your mind, like your body just feels stretched out and nice, like it's just nice. So that's my little mindful exercise for today. So now that the room is clean, yeah, so now that the room is clean, let's get ready for the day. I'm literally gonna hop in the shower, boom boom boom, and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna be on the road. Am I eating today? No, not in a bad way, but I don't normally have like breakfast just for having breakfast's sake. If I'm not hungry, I don't eat, and usually I like to fast until at least 12 o'clock, and then I'll just have a really big breakfast or a really big brunch. So I think that's what I'm gonna have today. I've got some pasta in the fridge, so I'm gonna have that for lunch at 12, and we're just gonna be done with the morning routine. That's us for the day. Today feel fun and nice. Yeah, mama up. Let's put the shower to run. It's so peaceful. Girl, this that sneeze, so guys, my hairdresser just opened some appointment slots. I hope she's not booked out, because I just don't have the strength. I don't have the mental capacity for this. Okay, there's appointment available in April. The 13th, that's in 2 weeks. Guys, I really want to go blonde. Like, I really want to go blonde. I've been wanting to go blonde for like 2 years now. Like, it's actually ridiculous. Like, no, probably a full year, like proper blonde. So should I book it? I don't know if she's gonna make me go blonde. I flipping hate this life, man. I got the appointment. She's not fully booked. I got the appointment. Thank you, Jesus. I hate going on Instagram because it just takes up so much of my time. What the hell? I need a haircut. I need a... Oh my god, guys. I've got 2 hairstyles that I really want to do. I've got this short bob. Like 2 bobs. I've got 1 bob that I could do with this side proper low. And I've got another one. And I really want to be blonde, so let's see. On missy people are starving, I get it hurt me heart when I talks reach at the mark. The next BFF like abroad. That's why me never drop my guard or be a victim of this surge. I'm from a place where blood spill. Enough innocent youth get killed as morning like y'all a quarrel. Them baby no name from morning. Me not come from a normal town. You know what hear when the thing them sound. Play my tune. And I bed we are spread for people I do. All of the thugs on my power will grow rough than I wanna grow like girl. Hey. Okay guys, I'm just on bed now. I'm gonna just take my time, cream up my body, oil up my face, oil up my skin, massage out under my eye. I'm gonna let them look bag here. And then I'm gonna do my hair, eat some breakfast, and then morning routine done. So I'm gonna put some clip-ins in my hair today because I don't like combing my short hair, so clip-in, just going on ponytail, and I'll leave that for the day. So we don't need a lot of stuff. We really don't need a lot of stuff. We just need a hairbrush, some hair oil, and my little edges brush, and I'll use that. So we have everything that we need here. So push it up in a one. You know the only oil that I use. You know the only oil that I use. LISS Beauty, now available. You guys can actually shop and get the oil that I use. And I'm looking out. I'm gonna look careful upon the trick. Showing her the trick. My cousin is the one that introduced me to clip-ins, and boy. So we're gonna be using this track and this track. Literally just these two. and then I go in the center of my head. So this is what the back of my head looks like. I literally have no hair on my head. Like, I actually have no hair on my head. My hair probably reach, not even reach no way for show you. No, you can't even show you where it reach. Got the back shot, but the front tall and tick up, so you can actually go in a one. To me, it can go in an axial, and it can work. So I normally literally just go right in the middle of my head. The only reason I have time I show this, I show I have time. I show a lockdown with Dana. If we're in a lockdown, if we're in a lockdown, I think my business. And then the clippings come with clips, obviously. So you just open it, each it at the head, lock it in on the ear, and you that it now come with the ear. So I like to just brush them out before I actually put them in, just so I don't rip my hair while they're actually in. So literally right now, migrated. But I'm doing this one forward because I want to put my head in a bun, and I just want it to look as natural as possible. Not when they come around too far. One thing with the clipping, it make your scalp tender over time. I don't like how that one here feel, you know. I don't like how that one here feel. I'll fix it. Okay, yes. So before I actually catch it up, I like to just do a little test run, and if everything grab and everything flat, then you know, so good. Then I just use the foam, literally rub it up, and you just foam up around it. You don't even need so much foam. I show me a record, I just a bit extra, but you really don't need that much foam, especially if your hair moisturized. You don't need a lot. I'm not even looking at the mirror. Okay, look good. Girl, you look healthy. Call girl ear healthy. Girl ears healthy. Should have it back. People have on slippers out the road. I said the place warm. I know what that means. Me yo, I'm on camera and the things them not good, but this look neat, this feel neat, so it's a to work. I need a look at edges now, I'm good to go. And then up here now, I'm sure my look. And then up here now, I'll just literally just do a bun. So look a bit more natural. You know, when the bun them look too high up. Who would have thought? Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Literally just do my edges now and then we is done. Natural as possible. Achieved, baby, achieved. And then now I'm literally just gonna put on my hair tie, get some clothes on, have my breakfast, morning routine done, ready for the day. Okay, so I'm finally gonna have breakfast, well, lunch, brunch, whatever. Finally gonna have it, and I'm having some tuna and sweet corn pasta. And yeah, I'm gonna have it now. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. So I just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for spending the morning with me. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have yourself a blessed day. Make today great, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.